Invite.
Chill. It's just getting the main menu.
Ignore. I'm gonna press ignore.
Oh,
Who's
you're gonna ignore me.
this?
Okay, that's the end of the game. Bye bye. See you
Okay,
next.
bye.
See
Have a
you
good night.
tomorrow.
Rest well. Bye.
Bye. What's this? It's a globe. Spin.
How come you're so fast?
Spin.
Ooh, what's this?
Spinning. Spin.
Ooh.
Merry-go-round.
You spin my hair right.
God, that's all.
Oh shit.
Where are we?
Ooh,
Monkey.
Awuka.
Because I bought you in the Space Museum.
Liar! Rose handpicked me at the Space Museum and commissioned me for a special mission.
Awuka.
I am the only one who can protect Rose from the
Monkey together strong.
Monkey.
We're
Together.
also expected
Strong.
to protect Rose.
Monkey.
Monkey.
Stop
Monkey.
lying. Your mission
It's baboon
is to
really a
make
monkey?
her cry.
I think so.
Defying the laws of gravity.
Wait, why don't I get the space boots?
Yeah, I get a space for you. Woohoo.
The space boots look so much cooler.
No, it's
How
mine.
comes you get all the cool gadgets?
Yeah, there.
Cooler than you, Cody.
I'm cooler than you, Mao.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Cooler than you.
Let's find a way out of here. Next time.
Can you not die, Rose, crazy space monkey?
Okay, so wait, no smashy, no smash, no Hulk smash,
Big-
no Cody
big
smash.
monkey. Big monkey.
No big monkey.
Oh, big monkey.
Bye bye.
Threatened.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
climb up. Come up. Oh, you're fat. You're fat. I can't carry you.
Cody.
Yeah, be mini. Thanks. Wait, hold on. Okay,
Okay.
go. Behind you.
Where? Oh.
No, don't be
Oh,
fat.
oh. Because when I'm small, I cannot jump high.
Okay, so so you're small. Okay, wait, let me put you near the platform.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
then-
barely reached it.
Okay, then
Yeah, I can't grow.
no, be fat again. Okay, go.
Oh.
Don't, oh, come on. What is this? Your personal elevator? Come on.
Do your job. Do your job. You have
Goddamn
one
monkey. Goddamn
job. You
monkey.
have one job.
You have one job.
You have one job.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Boing.
Oh, thanks.
I'm sorry. I didn't.
It's fine.
I didn't realize that it was laser.
It's
Okay,
fine,
we
it's
try
fine.
we
Okay.
try an arrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Be normal size then. Then you jump over. Not don't do it.
I have a feeling that was gonna.
A monkey brain.
I wonder who is he talking to though?
I don't know.
Maybe the book.
Probably. Yeah, hi. Hi. Hello. So,
How do I go back up?
oh, okay. So you stand on that side now, and then I will launch you up.
Here?
Yeah.
Do I have to be small?
Probably, yeah. Okay, maybe not.
I could see like
That was funny. That was funny.
Glad you made it back in one piece.
Easy. There's the monkey. There's the monkey.
Oh, that. Easy.
Easy club.
We just bullied the monkey.
Poor monkey.
Ooh, look at me. Oh.
Poor
Moon
monkey.
Baboon, how do we get back to Rose?
I can't let you harm her. I'm her best friend.
hello.
can't let you
she hasn't
have
played
her.
with you for years. Okay? You've been monitoring her. Come on, just pay attention.
Maybe
Monkey
we
was
can
a
help you
stalker.
become friends again.
I can't let you have her.
Yes. I can
Oh,
ask
he's so
Rose to
fuzzy
play
looking.
with you again. But you have to help us get back to her.
Yes, gaslight the monkey.
Monkey.
Oh,
You have to promise you won't make her cry.
Yeah. We promise.
Okay, monkey accepted.
Monkey.
That whatever happens, Always be her best friend.
Monkey push button. Oh yeah, we're back. I sense a mini
Really
game
loves that
around
elephant,
somewhere.
though. You
Somewhere.
have to buy a replacement later.
Feels like it.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll just get her.
There's a car here.
Yeah, it's time for a new
Ooh.
friend.
Where,
I
where,
actually
where?
thought
Come here.
she'd outgrown the elephant.
Well, she did, but lately
Come here.
she's gotten attached
Get
to
inside.
it again. I don't know why.
Okay, well, let's just find it.
Stop honking. Bye.
Ah,
Oh,
ooh, hey! You missed the thing.
Oh, too much. Way too much.
I just exploded. Okay, now you sit it.
Okay. Hurry up, driver. Do your work. Oh, thanks.
You didn't even make it. You didn't even
No,
make it.
because
to
I
the
can't
road.
turn it. I can't. It's a straight car. So you're the one aiming me.
Hey!
Do I get a
Congrats.
prize? No, no prize.
Nope.
Hey, you're right. It
See?
is a mini game.
Ha.
What's that?
Oh, okay, you cross. I could have killed you. I just wanted you to know that.
Thanks for the reassurance. Thanks.
I just wanted to point it out that I could have been an asshole.
Oh, you mean I could do this?
No! How could you?
Man, no fun.
I just did you.
It was tempting.
I hate you. Ooh. Wait, why do you get to sit? That's unfair.
Because you're fat.
Stop fat shaming me.
It's math!
Oh,
Oh no,
Oh
it's
no.
math!
Looks like we have to solve
Okay,
it.
okay.
I helped her with it the other night.
4 plus 5.
This'll be
4 plus
easy.
5. Math.
Meh.
At least it's not prime number. 16.
9 plus 7.
9 plus 7? 9 plus 7? What?
oh.
Okay. Random.
Yeah, that works.
What's this?
Drawing.
Ah, the simpler days. It's nice to have limitations.
Yeah,
Draw. What are we drawing?
creativity being stifled.
Uh,
Huh? It can't be much. 2 knobs.
Anything.
You'd be surprised. You just have to learn to use what you have to make something great.
What is this?
Okay, complete the drawing, complete the drawing.
What do you go draw? You have to go right. Go right. Okay, now.
Okay, okay.
What is this?
It's a-
Okay, there you go.
It's a drumstick.
What? What?
It's a chicken drumstick. Ooh, can we play this?
Mini game. What is this? Oh,
Okay, your turn. Your turn.
fine. Okay, one more because you did 2.
Okay, okay.
Okay, your
Okay.
turn. Lose.
Okay.
You-
Oh no!
Probably not. Oh god, the toxic friend.
No!
Oh, here we go again.
My plan is working. You like each other more now.
Nope,
No.
you killed me.
More things to learn and new challenges to overcome. Let's keep on going. We got a relationship to fix.
What the
I
hell?
get a relationship to fix.
No.
Ooh, trippy.
Creepy.
Creepy.
Calm down! We're inside Rose's kaleidoscope!
It's the wormhole.
Creepy.
Ooh.
Crazy in here.
Oh, I died.
Oh, I didn't know you could die from that.
I know, right? That is so.
Sure.
Illusion. I'm about to throw up in here. For real.
No.
I think I'm gonna throw up in real life as well.
I'm about to throw up in here. For real.
Relax. Don't let
Oh my god.
Relax. Ooh.
Trippy.
Rainbow Road.
This is not Mario Kart.
Pizza slice.
Doritos.
Oh, I think I'm gonna throw up.
Oh, you're a doll, Cody. You've nothing to throw up.
Yeah, you have nothing to draw. Oh, what the hell you draw?
Told you.
That's clay.
Weird. Doesn't smell.
Why are you smelling your own vomit?
Look.
Play-Doh.
There
It looks
she
like
is,
just
the
shit.
elephant.
How did we get up there?
Ah, that's easy. We just have to get to the magic castle.
Of course.
Which I built, by the way.
You built a magic castle?
How do you build a magic
Yeah,
castle?
you're not the only one in the
With
family who
magic,
can build
duh.
cool stuff.
You're fine. Jesus, so sassy.
That thing right over
Such
there,
a sassy
that'll-
guy.
You're sure?
Yes,
I just
am
peeped
sure.
clay
Just
out.
trust me.
I'll try.
Yeah, just trust me and build
Come on.
magic.
Let's clear the.
Slap it. Ooh. Ooh, big
That
boy.
one can help us.
Oh boy.
Or eat us.
That is obviously a vegetable. eater.
What? You mean
He's a
vegetarian?
It's a vegetable eater.
Oh.
Boing.
Chocobo.
Sorry, Mr. Dino. Nothing personal. Whoa.
Ease the give up.
Maybe try a mint, okay?
Eee.
Out of courtesy. All right, coming through.
Me when I wake up every morning. Faster, 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 faster.
Oh my god, somebody's
Oh, I
suspected.
don't smell anything. Your nose has always been sensitive.
Oh my god. Oh.
Oh my god. No,
Reverse,
no, no,
reverse,
no, 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 no.
Okay,
Okay.
we shall
Get out, go.
Toys.
Get the door.
shoot the door.
Oh my god.
Let us go.
He actually looks pretty cute.
Why did you have to buy this stupid, ugly octopus?
You
Hey, he's
brought
not
it.
ugly.
You brought it.
It's super
Yeah.
cute and huggable. Hey, Mr. Octopus. Don't listen to her. You are super cute.
Agreed.
Beautiful.
Super cute.
Arms.
Look at
you
his
work
dopey
out.
eyes.
Please let us go.
Oh my god. Simping. Let's get rid of the octopus.
Die.
Die, octopus.
Oh,
Cute my
sad.
ass.
it's cute. I think.
Don't ever buy Rose a toy with more than 2 arms again, okay?
Like I said, in the real world.
First the
it was
monkey, now the octopus.
Space baboon.
Baboon. That's by me.
Monkey. Monkey.
Cody, the tracks are ending.
Oh no! I forgot.
Jump.
I never finished building the.
You never finished building the castle.
Well, we made it into the castle.
We flew into the castle.
Kinda.
I know.
Straight to the castle, huh?
Just like I planned it. See? The castle.